Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, WA Electronics. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the brand new Alientek T200 Smart Soldering Station, a compact yet powerful station that packs some serious features for professionals and hobbyists alike. Let's dive right in. The box design is simple yet professional, showing the soldering station picture at the front and key specs on the back. Let's unbox it and see what we get inside the box. In the box, you'll find the T200 main station unit, a full metal body soldering stand, a detachable soldering handle, tip compatibility adapters, a power cord, and of course, the user manual. Right out of the box, the T200 feels premium. Sleek design, RGB LED accents, and a 2.4-inch IPS LCD screen that really sets it apart from traditional soldering stations. Now, let's go over the key specifications. The T200 delivers up to 160 watts of power, giving you fast heating and stable performance. The temperature range is wide, from 80 Celsius all the way up to 500 Celsius, making it suitable for both precision SMD work and heavy-duty soldering. It supports multiple handle types: C245, with about 120 watts heating power for large joints, C210 at 60 watts for general use, C115 at 27 watts for ultra-fine micro-soldering tasks, and the widely popular T12 tips running around 72 watts. It runs on AC 220 volts and here's something unique. It also includes a 65-watt PD3.0 Type-C output. Yes, that means you can charge your laptop or smartphone right from the soldering station while working. The 2.4-inch IPS LCD screen gives you clear real-time data, temperature, power output, and settings. It also comes with automatic sleep and shutdown modes, which not only save power, but also protect your soldering tips from unnecessary wear. On top of that, you've got RGB lighting effects for status indicators and built-in short circuit and leakage protection for safety. With its compact size of 150 by 100 by 50 millimeters and weighing only 550 grams, the T200 is portable yet robust enough for a permanent spot on your workbench. Let's power it up and see how it performs. The T200 heats up incredibly fast thanks to its high power output. With the C245 handle, it can melt solder almost instantly, making it perfect for larger pads and connectors. Switching to the C115 or C210, you still get precise control for SMD and smaller joints. The temperature stability is impressive. No sudden drops, no overshoot, all thanks to the PID controlled system inside. Pros and cons. So, what are the pros and cons after testing this soldering station? Pros. Powerful 160W output. Supports multiple handle types, C245, C210, C115, and T12. Compact design with IPS screen and RGB lighting. Smart features like auto sleep and safety protections. Extra 65W USB-C PD output. Cons. Only runs on AC 220 volt, so you'll need a converter if your region uses 110 volt. No built-in soldering iron stand included in the package. You might need to buy one separately. Overall, the Alientek T200 Smart Soldering Station is a powerhouse in a compact body. Whether you're a professional repair technician or an electronics hobbyist, this unit delivers both performance and smart convenience. Check out the buying link in the description below if you'd like to get your own Alientek T200 Smart Soldering Station. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment below if you'd like to see a comparison with the T90 series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.